these are the Scrubzz Ultra Thick Bathing Wipes in Fresh Scent. Just open that up. And these are one of those grab-and-go essentials that just really make life easier. No water needed, no hassle. Just open and use. Ultra thick and actually feel durable enough for a full cleanup. Fresh Scent is so light and not overpowering at all. No rinse needed, just wipe and then wipe with a dry towel. Super convenient. Why these stand out? A great option for no rinse, elderly care, when showers are difficult or need assistance. So great to have after surgery when a full shower is not realistic. Been there, done that. Perfect for gym bags, travel, camping, or a quick refresh moment. We've all had those. So easy to keep in multiple places, so you can always have one when you need it. Just reseal it, and you are good to go. Highly recommend the Scrubzz Ultra Thick Fresh Scent Bathing Wipes. This review is sponsored by the brand.